Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we shall see how to calculate the heart rate from an ECG graph, right? In this ECG graph, always see for the lead to calculate the heart rate, and make sure the heart rate is constant. It's not having atrial fibrillation. That means the heart is beating normally in a regular interval. How do you do it? This is the R wave, okay? The gap between the two R waves should be normal. If it is here, let's say there are 5 boxes, here is 2 boxes, again there is 4 boxes, 3 boxes. This means the heart is not conducting in a normal fashion, right? That means there is atrial fibrillation, right? So if you see here, there's 3.5 name same, 3 and a little bit and little bit same. So this means it's a normal conductive system. Normal heart rate is conducting normally. Before that, I just want to show you this graph, this thing. So this is the P wave, right? Q, R, S, and T. That's all. Okay. So see here, this is the P, Q, R, S, and T. P, Q, R, S, and T. Is that right? Okay. So now let us try to see how to calculate the heart rate in this patient. Okay. Always see for the lead 2. Now there are two formulas, formula 1 and 2, right? It depends if you are calculating the large boxes or the small boxes, depending upon you, right? If I calculate the large box, there is one full large box, and a full large box, and half of a large box and almost half of a large box, right? So what you're going to do here is this 1, 2, and 3, and you can almost consider this as a 4. There are 4 boxes. So what you're going to do here is this: you're going to divide 300 by 4, right? 300 divided by 4 will give you around 75 beats per minute, right? So this means your 300 is constant. Then you're going to divide by the number of large boxes between the two RR interval, right? Or you can use the formula of small boxes. Now if I zoom in here, right, if I zoom in here, okay, if I zoom in here, so you have this big box again, right, and you're having 3 small boxes inside. See, you can calculate it: 1, 2, 3, and 3, right? I think it's not so clear in the video, but I think you can get the point, right? So calculate the number of small boxes here. How many? 1, 2, 3, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, almost 3 boxes. 3 boxes plus another 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, and 2 boxes, right? So what? Add the number of boxes, and then you're going to do is 1500 divided by number of small boxes between two RR interval. This will give you the heart rate, right? Remember, if you are using the small boxes, right, if you're very small boxes you're using it, that means you have to divide 1500 divided by number of small boxes between two RR interval. Or if you want to use the big box, this one, right, big box, that means you're going to add the number of big box. This is 1, 2, 3, and is almost 4. You can consider almost 4. So this means you're going to divide 300 divided by number of big boxes between the two RR interval. Is that right? Okay, thanks.